So statements about culture are never statements about individuals because individuals do not necessarily fit in just one culture. Appreciating cultural diversity in the workplace. That's why we're here today. Just how we say hello. Some of those you might be familiar with, like konnichiwa, namaste, bonjour, salam, but there's so many different ways of just saying hello. And of course, that's a language, and language comes with different countries that we live in and the cultures that we might fit into. But even as much as a greeting, that is the first thing that we might connect with someone by saying hello or whatever the greetings may be. But even that in itself, it's a big diversity in how we might be. When we talk about culture, it is easy to use stereotyping because that's one way we know of how to think of the other group of people. So statements about culture are never statements about individuals. And that's a warning that we're putting out there because individuals do not necessarily fit in just one culture. So culture, what is culture? It says here, culture is the way we do things and what we consider to be normal because it's perhaps the way that we've been brought up. And of course, the next point is learned behavior. What we've learned through our upbringing and what we see centered on values and beliefs, and dynamic and changing. And that's very important as well. Culture is often dynamic and changing depending on all the factors that goes around in the world, what we might be experiencing, what new developments come about. It is constantly changing. So for the fact that stereotyping in a way fixes things, right? When you stereotype someone, it fixes our idea on how we might see things. And culture is the software of the mind. So in a way, what goes on in terms of our thinking, and of course our thinking then leads to our behavior, that's a wider conversation, but that is a summary of what culture is.